100,000 US dollars, pretty much exactly here. Definitely a price target I'm looking out for summer for Bitcoin.
BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap will get you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.com. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest crypto channel in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, guys, don't forget to take advantage of the largest deposit bonus in the history of Bybit. If you want to sign up for Bybit and use any of the information you see in today's video to leverage trade, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or many other assets, you can visit bitboycrypto.com/deals, scroll down to the Bybit section, and we will have some more details for you on that deposit bonus. Definitely not going to want to miss it. Like I said, it's over $1,000. All right, guys, today I'm joined by Chris from Crypto. We're going to dive in and we're going to be discussing Ethereum. How much higher can it go? Is a $4,500 in the short term price point for Ethereum possible? We're also going to be looking at, is Bitcoin ready to bust? It looks like something is developing, and every time it's been seen before leads to a massive Bitcoin pump. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the video and see what Chris had to say. Hey, everybody. Again this week, I'm joined by Chris from Crypto. Today, we're going to be talking about a lot of exciting stuff. We're going to start off talking a little bit about Ethereum, but then I really want to pick his brain on Bitcoin, see what he's thinking. As always, Chris, welcome to the channel.
Thank you very much for having me. And man, I have crazy content to share about Bitcoin today. People are waiting for more than 2 months now, 2.5 months. I just checked it, for Bitcoin to finally pop towards the upside. And I have some indications which points towards the fact that probably the time has come.
Oh, the time has come. That sounds exciting.
Yes.
And as always, guys, if you want to subscribe to Chris's channel, actually, I'm not giving you guys the option. Go subscribe to the channel. Just go down to the video description, click the link, go to his channel, and you can get this kind of content from him every single day. Definitely a YouTuber that I watch. So, all right, let's go ahead and jump into it. What are you looking at for Ethereum right now?
Thanks, man. Thanks. Great to see that you're watching. I'm watching your channel as well. Beautiful community, great content. Let me share the channel, go over into the charts, and we start with Ethereum. Just a very quick overview. Then I want to go into Bitcoin because, well, now that everyone is talking about Ethereum, maybe that's the time that Bitcoin is actually showing some interesting things here in the charts. So first of all, quickly about Ethereum, before we go into Bitcoin, you can see we broke out of the symmetrical triangle, hit the price target. And actually yesterday, like 12 hours ago, we broke out of this rising wedge and we hit the price target. So the question is this the end of the run for Ethereum? Personally, don't think so. But I really think that Bitcoin is going to take over some limelight in the next few days. Just wanted to show you quickly here what my price targets are for Ethereum in the immediate short term. You can see the Fibonacci extension level from the bottom to the top. Then you can see that we hit my golden ratio actually just a few days ago. We also hit the 2x Fibonacci extension level pretty much exactly to the US dollar amount. We are floating around there. In the next 2 or 3 weeks, I am personally looking out for, and I have to scroll for quite some time, for the 4x Fibonacci extension level. Woo! And that would be the 4,345 US dollar level. I will pick your brain actually on the collaboration on our channel about the Ethereum price more. This is just a ballpark price target I'm looking out for. These even Fibonacci extension levels are usually the next one to look out for. 2x already check marked. The 3x one is right here, where we are probably going to see the next resistance coming in 3,747. But until significant bear trend for Ethereum, I'm personally looking out for, before that happens, for the 4x. But now let's go to Bitcoin. That's my personal favorite in crypto space, of course, the king. And I wanted to talk about these red circles. I prepared something here. So what are these red circles? Let me quickly take the brush out. So every single time we had this red circle, one specific indicator was flashing. Every single time this indicator was flashing, and I will tell you what it is, we didn't see these price targets ever again for Bitcoin so far. Ooh. So the first time it was flashing exactly 1 year ago in April 2020, approximately at $7,000, we never saw these price levels again. Then it was flashing once again in July 2020, approximately at 9,300 US dollars, $200 US. We never saw these price levels again. Then it was flashing once again at $11,000. We never saw these price levels again. And what if I told you guys that within the next 4 to 12 hours, we are going to flash the signal once again, approximately at the levels of 58, 59,000 US dollars. So just judging from the history, and it's not always like that, but more often than not, and at least the last 3 times it was like that, if this signal is going to flash again, we will probably not see these price levels again for quite some time, okay? No 100% certainty, but let me dive into it. Let me show you what this is about. This exponential moving average, I'm pulling it out here, is the, wait, I will pull out both at the same time. Here you can see it, and I will go to the 4-hourly candles so you can perfectly see it. So what you can see here is the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. And this blue moving average is the 200 period moving average on the 4-hourly, whereas the orange one is the 50 period. So the 50 and the 200, whenever the short-term moving average here goes below the long-term moving average, this is called the death cross. In a bull market, much more important is the so-called golden cross. And that was a big topic in 2000, BitBoy, 2017, 18, 19, everyone talked about it. No one is talking about it anymore because Bitcoin was going nothing but parabolic. So we didn't see any crosses. When it goes parabolic, they are going more far away from each other as the time passes, right? On the daily, we are far away from a death cross. But on the 4-hourly, we just saw it. And in a bull market, the golden crosses are really important. And look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It is looming right now. It is looming. And let me go into the charts. I want to start with the one in April because, well, past performance is not a certainty for future performance, right? But it is all we have with Bitcoin. We are in uncharted territory. History is all we have. And you can see the last time it was flashing right here, Bitcoin went up actually significantly from 7,000 to, in a matter of a few days only, to 11,000. That's a 50% gain. The time it flashed afterwards was right here in July. Bitcoin went up, let me quickly remove this here. Bitcoin went up from 9,000 to 12,000. And then it flashed once again in October, actually on the 9th of October on my birthday.
Oh,
and
happy
what
birthday.
happened? Exactly. And I told the people, guys, it is my birthday. The golden cross is flashing. And we are also breaking out of these 3.5 years converging trend lines. I think it was the universe. And on my birthday, well, Bitcoin rent started from 10,700 US dollars, this massive parabolic run towards the upside, all the way to 64,000. And well, guys, it is time again. This golden cross is looming right now. If I am zooming in, within the next 2 or maximum 3 4-hourly candles, we are going to see them crossing. And guys, don't expect the price to pump immediately 50% within that 1 4-hourly candle. It can take 1 or 2 more days. But the matter of fact is I'm personally expecting that now that all the altcoins took the lead, that potentially Bitcoin is going to take back some steam again. Bitcoin is probably in the next few days here gonna go close to the all-time high, and maybe I'm still holding out my altcoins, right? But maybe Bitcoin is gonna take the lead again. Maybe Bitcoin is going to break the all-time high and take over some dominance back again, which it lost actually within the last few days. And before I'm giving it over to you, BitBoy, if you have any questions or whatever, I wanted to pull out once again the Fibonacci extension level. There is a new sheriff in town. And if this holds truth, and sometimes I'm wrong, right? But I really think on the balance of probabilities, this could be a very likely scenario here. The 1.618 is the $75,000 level. I think this is, if Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, the next one to look out for. And just as a quick surprise, because everyone and their mother is waiting for it, look at this, the 3x Fibonacci extension level. This is maybe something for June, for summer. 100,000 US dollars, pretty much exactly here. Definitely a price target I'm looking out for summer for Bitcoin. So this is what I'm looking out for right now. I'm very happy to share that exclusively here on your channel because this golden cross is something we didn't see for 7 months now. So it is historic times, today or tomorrow.
Yeah, it's exciting. And I think obviously like Ethereum has really stole the show for the last couple weeks. And we've been looking at the Ethereum to Bitcoin dominance level, or the Ethereum ratio to Bitcoin, and it's been climbing. But right now, I think what we're about to see is we're going to hit some resistance with that Ethereum versus Bitcoin price. And we're going to see now Bitcoin start to run. You're going to see Ethereum's value versus Bitcoin start to drop. But overall, you're still going to see your Ethereum US dollar value climb. And I think that's going to be really interesting, especially if Bitcoin goes all the way up to $80,000. I mean, if Bitcoin were to go to $80,000 or higher, I mean, I think looking at that earlier number for Ethereum of about, $4,400. I mean, I think that's definitely in play.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I can't wait for it. I'm a big Ethereum believer myself. I hold Ethereum. Actually, let me show you something here. If I'm going down, I was posting this on the 19th of January here. If Ethereum crosses this week above the 3.5 years trend line, I'll buy a spacesuit, right? I posted on the 9th of January, and this is the weekly chart. It was a 3.5 years. I know you went bullish then as well.
Yeah.
And Bitcoin was at 3.64% against Bitcoin. Now we are like almost at 6, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's time for Ethereum will continue to go up, but maybe to take a breather against Bitcoin. I really agree with you there. And this is why I actually basically also myself opened a new trade on Bitcoin. I don't know if you can see it. I have to refresh it here. And I'm going to hold this one open for the foreseeable future. I will take my first profits at 75,000 US dollars. Right now, I'm zooming, I'm going down here a little bit. It's at 108,000 US dollars in profit. I didn't go as crazy as usually. 3.49 million US dollar in contract size, but I'm gonna keep it open. I will take my first profits at maybe slightly below the all-time high, then at 75, and eventually at 100K.
Yeah, it's just so amazing to me, Chris, as we look at these charts and we look back at, our predictions that we made throughout the last year, and it's just so amazing to see everything playing out exactly as we predicted.
Exactly as we predicted.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, it's beautiful. The best thing about it is that all our followers are getting rich. And
Absolutely.
even those who were starting like a month ago, guys, that's what I wanted to tell you. If you only have $600, well, just have a long-term time horizon and it will be fine for you. Long-term really beats the short-term. And that's the beautiful thing, man. You have a beautiful community. I have a beautiful community. I'm very proud of that. And the future is going to be great.
Absolutely. I can't wait to see where everything goes. Guys, don't forget to head on down to Chris's channel, Crypto, down below in the video description and the pinned comment. You guys make sure to click that, head on over, subscribe to his channel. Chris, thank you so much for being on the show today. I think it's been very insightful. To everybody else, make sure that you guys go down below in the comments. Let us know what your price prediction for Bitcoin is over the next, 4 to 6 weeks. We'll see if you're right. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all I got. Be blessed. Good boy out.